Hello class. Today we will learn science lecture 4 CNS. CNS means central nervous system. Central nervous system is act as a control center. Well, it is act as a control center in our body. It controls many functions, right? Well, we see here central nervous system comprises with two main systems. Here we have brain and spinal cord. What we have here, CNS comprises with two main things we have here in central nervous system: brain and spinal cord. Now we will deal with brain. Let's see what is brain is actually. Human brain enclosed in a bony skull called cranium. Enclosed in a bony skull which is called cranium. Cranium. Well, and this cranium is bony skull. Skull इसको बोलते हैं. स्कल किसको बोलते हैं बेटा? स्कल बोलते हैं ये जो खोपड़ी होती है इसको बोलते हैं. वेल, जो ब्रेन है वो इसके अंदर इनक्लोज होता है जिसको साइंटिफिकली जिसका नाम है क्रेनियम. वेल, एंड कंसिस्ट ऑफ बिलियंस ऑफ इंटरन्यूरॉन्स. ब्रेन is enclosed in cranium and on the other hand consists of billions of we have here interneuron, billions of interneuron. Clear? Well, now we will discuss here. When we talk about brain is divided into main three parts. How many? Main three parts. Now we'll see the parts of brain, because brain is divided into three main parts. Well, first of all we have here forebrain. What we have here? Forebrain and midbrain. Midbrain we have here, and the third one is we have here. Third one is hindbrain. Third one is hindbrain we have here. Clear? Well, we will deal with first forebrain. Clear? Let's see what forebrain is actually. Forebrain is the largest part of the brain. It is largest part of the brain. Clear? Largest part of the brain. Well, it is largest part of the brain. It consists of three main parts, and this forebrain is divided into three main parts. Let's see at these three parts. Clear? So it is consists of three main parts: cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. What we have here? Cerebrum we have here. Thalamus, then we have thalamus and hypothalamus. Thalamus and hypothalamus. Clear? Thalamus and we have here hypothalamus. Clear? Let's see. Cerebrum is the topmost. See, we'll discuss cerebrum. Cerebrum is the topmost. Cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain. क्या है बेटा? ये topmost है. Topmost and the largest part. Clear? Topmost है और क्या है? Topmost and largest part of the brain. Of the forebrain. Clear? Cerebrum is the largest part of the forebrain. Clear? Well, now we have here the topmost part of the cerebrum is the topmost and the largest part of the brain, or you can say forebrain. It is divided into the right and the left cerebral hemisphere. There are two main parts of cerebrum. It is divided into two main parts, which is called right and the left cerebral hemisphere. Clear? Right cerebral hemisphere and left hemisphere. Clear? And we have here left hemisphere or cerebral hemisphere. Clear? Well, this is all about the cerebrum. Clear? Okay, cerebrum. Now we will deal with the function of cerebrum. What function cerebrum performed? Clear? Cerebrum controls many actions like thinking. Cerebrum controls many functions like thinking, feelings and emotions. Clear? Well, we have here seeing, hearing, perception, memory, speech, decision making. So all these actions that are controlled by cerebrum. Clear? We have here many more functions that control cerebrum. Clear? Hearing, perception, memory, speech, decision making. All these functions controlled by cerebrum. Now we will see thalamus. Thalamus controls many sensory functions. Well, hypothalamus lies at the base of the thalamus. First of all, we will deal with thalamus. It controls many functions like many sensory functions. Control many sensory functions. Clear? It controls many sensory functions. Well, when we talk about hypothalamus, what hypothalamus is actually? Hypothalamus lies at the base of thalamus, where it is situated It is actually lies at the base of thalamus. Base of thalamus मतलब thalamus के नीचे. Clear? It controls body temperature, hunger and thirst. Its function to control body temperature, and hunger we have here, and thirst. Clear? So this is all about the forebrain. Well, we have discussed here the parts of the forebrain: cerebrum, thalamus, hypothalamus. Well, when we talk about cerebrum, there were two main parts of the cerebrum: left cerebral hemisphere, right cerebral hemisphere. Clear? And we have discussed thalamus and hypothalamus. It controls many sensory functions. Thalamus control temperature, hunger and thirst. Clear? This is all about the forebrain. Thank you so much.